In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive money on your Wise account, and it's incredibly simple and quick. So, whether you're new to Wise or just need a refresher, follow along with these easy steps and you'll be set in no time. First, you'll need to open the Wise app on your phone or visit the Wise website on your computer. If you haven't logged in yet, be sure to enter your credentials to access your account. This is the main entry point for all the transactions you wish to carry out, so getting comfortable navigating it will be beneficial. Once you're in, the next thing you need to do is tap on the currency balance you'd like to receive money for. Depending on your needs, this could be USD, GBP, EUR, or any of the various currencies Wise supports. This step is key because it signifies which account or currency you wish to receive funds into. Think of it as choosing which pocket you'll be putting your money into. After selecting the appropriate currency, look for the option that says Receive or Account Details. Tapping here will reveal all the necessary information related to your Wise account for that specific currency. This is where Wise really shines, as it provides you with what you need to seamlessly receive money without any hassle. When you're in the account details section, you will see your account information displayed. This typically includes details like your account number and sort code if you're dealing with GBP, or your ACH routing number for USD. Make sure to take a moment to familiarize yourself with this information, as you'll need to share it accurately. The next step is straightforward. You need to copy this account information. You can usually do so by pressing on the details and selecting copy. This might seem minor, but having the correct details copied is crucial so the sender knows where exactly to send the money. Finally, share this copied account information with the person sending you the money. You can do this through email, text message, or any preferred communication method of your choice. Just ensure the information is clear and complete to avoid any delays or misunderstandings. And that's it, you're done. The sender will use these details to process the transaction, and soon enough you'll see the money appear in your Wise account balance. Receiving funds through Wise is remarkably easy and efficient, providing you with the peace of mind you need for your financial management. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to explore more resources or contact Wise support for further assistance. Happy transacting!